What's up, truck lovers? Welcome back to Channel V8X, where power meets passion and real American machines come to life. If you love bold design, raw strength, and premium luxury, you're in the right place. Because today on Channel V8X, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Premier in pearl white. The moment you see the front view, you know this truck means business. That massive GMC grille, sharp LED headlights, and bold stance deliver pure American dominance. The pearl white color adds a premium shine that turns heads instantly, whether it's parked or charging down the road. This is not just a truck, it's a statement. Move to the side view, and the Sierra 1500 Premier shows off its muscular proportions. Strong body lines, aggressive wheel arches, and a long, confident profile give this truck a powerful road presence. From this angle, you can really feel the balance between luxury and muscle, a truck built to work hard and look good doing it. Now let's talk about the rear view. Bold tail lamps, a clean tailgate design, and solid GMC badging remind you that this truck is built tough from every angle. Whether it's hauling gear or cruising city streets, the back view completes the Sierra's commanding design. Step inside, and the dashboard and interior take things to the next level. Premium materials, a modern digital display, and driver-focused controls create a cockpit that feels both rugged and refined. This interior proves that power doesn't have to sacrifice comfort. Long drives feel easy, and every detail feels thoughtfully designed. Under the hood, the engine view tells the real story. This truck is all about strength and reliability. Built for performance, towing, and long-term durability, the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Premier delivers the kind of confidence American truck buyers expect. From the sky, the drone view shows how perfectly this truck fits into wide-open landscapes. Whether it's parked in nature or rolling through open terrain, the pearl white Sierra looks bold, clean, and unstoppable from above. Hit the road, and the highway shot truly shines. Smooth motion, rock-solid stability, and a powerful presence make every mile feel controlled and confident. This truck isn't just built for the job site, it's built for the journey. And when the sun goes down, the night shot steals the show. Glowing LED lights, deep reflections, and a dark cinematic mood turn the Sierra into a rolling icon. At night, this truck looks as powerful as it feels. Now let's talk numbers. The 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Premier typically starts around the mid-$50,000 range, depending on configuration and options, a price that reflects its premium build, advanced features, and legendary GMC strength. Ending channel call. This is the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Premier in pearl white, bold, refined, and built the American way. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Channel V8X for more powerful machines, cinematic angles, and real truck passion. This is Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one.